Hey, this is I'm presenting to. I don't have anyone else that I can present to right now. Hey, I'm Zach, and everyone's got a dream. Every dream is a little different, and mine is pretty simple. It's just to have a job that I love doing. Um, I've met people that have money and people without money. They've all told me the same thing to find something that I like doing and just stick with it. So throughout the speech, I will be describing why I have this dream and obstacles that come with it. So, um, I want to be an architect, and the reason I want to be an architect is because I have always liked building and messing around with Legos and rocks and sticks that are outside in the backyard. I love doing stuff like that. And then in high school, I took a drafting class in which I learned about what an architect does. And I learned basic functions of the computer that just further developed this passion that I had for being an architect. Achieving this dream would make me feel like I avoid a fear that I have, which is living a life that is full of regret. But with this dream stated, there are many obstacles that come along with it. First obstacle being right now in the present time is applying to UNCC and getting into it because it's very highly competitive. They have a highly competitive architecture program. Second obstacle being applying to a job because I live in a small area and there's just not a high demand for architects. I can overcome these obstacles by applying to school now, making sure my grades are high, applying for internships for the job, applying to multiple jobs, and then possibly moving out of my area to a bigger city. I want to be happy with my career because I don't want to live a life full of regret, and I want to be happy with what I do. Obstacles like applying to school and getting the job that I want can be overcome by keeping my grades up and moving to another area and applying for internships. Overall, I feel that my dream is achievable, and now that I have a plan to do so, I feel very relieved and very excited about my future. Thank you.